light rose. Darkest day of the coldest night. To play your vision in an open sight. Here's a movie man and in his lonely night. They say your words come, cause you own a knife. I mean, where's the blood at? On the doormat? A villain who rocks a 6 on a snapback. Did you catch that? Where your mind's at? In the gutter, face deep, who you mad at? Pause deep, got me looking so sleepy. Pause deep, tell your bitch to come feed me. This is real shit, don't think it's easy. When you see me in prison, don't greet me. Yeah. Disengage, I want it all, you're in my way. You were born to fall and I was born to fade. See the shit that you smoke was man-made. Personal, personal, yeah. Please don't take this personal, personal, yeah. You just staying in my zone, yeah. I just wanna be alone, be alone, yeah. Yeah, see the game that you play around the way was a game that I saw was your mistake. See an honest man wouldn't bear the weight to pull a trigger on the ones they hate. I mean, did you live that? Did you want that? A life where you get beat for a slap back. Can't even walk down the street with a backpack. Try to play it cool, getting ready for the Snapchat. If I need to burn a bridge, I gotta do it now. Let me get it on top of it. Tell me if I wanna come and get it, then I'm with it. Ain't nobody better than this. I rock, you spit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got this meanness. I mean what I say when I spit these words and talk is cheap, don't want your service. I'm the wolf, I can smell you're nervous. Yeah, let me get on my ruthless shit. Talking all that new shit. Rocking all that groovy shit. No way, delay, you're late. That's fate. Don't be coming around and back again to play this game. Personal, personal, yeah. Please don't take this personal. Personal, yeah. You're just staying in my zone, yeah. I just wanna be alone, Personal, personal. Please don't take this personal, personal. You're just staying in my zone, I just wanna be alone, be alone.
Got another one, they don't know about. Got another one, got it thrown out. Got another one, I got no doubt. Got another one on my own route. Run it up, 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 yeah. Run it up, 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 yeah. Got another one, they don't know about. Got another one, got it thrown out. Got another one, I got no doubt. Got another one on my own route. Run it up, 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 yeah. Run it up, 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 yeah. Don't stand a chance, swear they don't stand a chance. I'm still standing on my feet after I took all the jabs. I can't be in the club, no, cause all I do is hustle. Put this song as my anthem and I'm ready to rumble. I take burden on me, give me the night and the day shift. Look at how I flipped it to a y'all, that was a slave ship. I don't waste a thing cause all I had was residue. And everybody wonder how I get my revenue. I don't wanna hear a thing again, I spilled all the beans. And I'm growing up the quickest, wasn't handed the seeds. Way back in the days, I was sleeping on the roaches. TML, the click, split the profit like Moses. What's a weekend? I don't know, my week is never ending. Never catching L's, you can never catch me slipping. Living with my mama, I'm the man of the house. Gotta go and get them commas, I'ma figure it out. Woo! Yeah.
special guest here today. His name is Mr. Jett, baby. You're gonna need to give your full ears and attention now.
Yo, a little lesson for my real ones. Show love to everyone, but no win to part ways with the people who gon' downplay your ethic, your vision and your message. Ain't no one gives you credit. It's fucked up, but reality is all we face. Nobody really cares, but they love to take your place. When they see you doing shit, when they see what you about, when they see that everything is working out for you. I'm keeping track of time now, cause the money is the subject. I value my time, you'll rarely catch me out in public. All my old friends did their own thing, and I ain't mad at them. I just wish I got a car to show support. We could've grown together, prospered, and traveled the world. But you bought your opportunity up, drinking and hurling every weekend. Now we barely speaking, and I don't wanna be the one to keep reaching out every evening. Why would I do that? It doesn't even make any sense. I've had a problem being too nice, but that's past tense. You gotta have that fire in your eyes to not say shit. It doesn't matter what room I'm in. Hope you understand. Now look at this. Everybody a fish, but who the sharks? If you a minnow in this water, you gon' probably get got. That ain't a threat, just a heads up like 7. Now thumbs up. You passed this crash course lesson.
Give it up for Mr. Jett, baby.
Appreciate that. Yeah. You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Thanks for coming on.
Yo, a little lesson for my real ones. Show love to everyone, but no win to part ways with the people who gon' downplay your ethic, your vision and your message. Ain't no one gives you credit. It's fucked up, but reality is all we face. Nobody really cares, but they love to take your place. When they see you doing shit, when they see what you about, when they see that everything is working out for you. I'm keeping track of time now, cause the money is the subject. I value my time, you'll rarely catch me out in public. All my old friends did their own thing, and I ain't mad at them. I just wish I got a car to show support. We could've grown together, prospered, and traveled the world. But you bought your opportunity up, drinking and hurling every weekend. Now we barely speaking, and I don't wanna be the one to keep reaching out every evening. Why would I do that? It doesn't even make any sense. I've had a problem being too nice, but that's past tense. You gotta have that fire in your eyes to not say shit. It doesn't matter what room I'm in. Hope you understand. Now look at this. Everybody a fish, but who the sharks? If you a minnow in this water, you gon' probably get got. That ain't a threat, just a heads up like 7. Now thumbs up. You passed this crash course lesson.
Give it up for Mr. Jett, baby.
Appreciate that. Yeah. You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Thanks for coming on.
はい、では1つ目のアワード発表です。山津ストアさんから NRG アワードの発表です。おめでとうございます。拍手お願いします。温かい拍手お願いします。
She don't love me, I know that's the game. She don't love herself either, oh, what a shame. Let's all hurt, let's kick dirt, whoa. Came up out the window, yeah, I just jumped off the plane. Climbing up this mountain, I swear I feel no pain. So I made it to the top,